first time at the expo, it was amazing. The amount of experience, the amount of people, the networking, the people that you meet, definitely. The seminars, you got to do the seminars. And you should bring someone to do the vendors while you're doing the seminars. Not enough hands really to cover everything in 4 days. Really, there isn't.
So this is a great chance for us to sort of get off the oven and kind of hang with all the people that we do business with. It's a place where you can also do some legitimate learning, training of your staff with all the seminars and whatnot. So I think it's a neat place to just, see what's new, meet the vendors that you're currently dealing with or future vendors, find some show deals, train some staff, have some time to also get away from your restaurant. We think it's a great opportunity. I'll probably rotate a different manager out here every year, give them a chance to kind of rub shoulders and develop some professional experiences out here.
This is my 28th time. I've been here, I've been educated, and it's a wonderful place to come. It keeps you updated. We're dealing with social media today, but that's another story. It's a new story, it's another story, and it's a great story. Just remember that. We're all going to learn. We're all learning.
We all feed off each other and help each other. That's what it's all about. Overall, I recommend this to any business that is in pizza business. This is the place to be, right here. Every year, once a year, it's a good thing to get together, to communicate, learn from each other. It's great.
This is our college. We have to come back and get educated. Stimulate. We got to be stimulated in our education. We're not all born learners. We have to learn every day of life.
That's right.
And you have to come in with an open mind. When you're an open-mindedness and you listen to people who are above you, who have been there like me, 42 years, well, guess what? It makes it all work. That's what it's all about.